Hello and welcome. This is the LED toilet nightlight with a motion activated sensor right there. And it's called the Illumibulb. It automatically activates by motion when you walk into the bathroom. So now that the lights are on, let me turn the lights off and you can see the light turns on automatically. And when you walk by this little motion sensor right here, it turns on the light. The LED light fades slowly to different colors when the batteries are fully charged. And it will fade slowly to there's a purple, and then it goes into a white, and then fades into like red, and then it turned off because it recognized no motion. So let me hit the motion here in front, and you can see the light turns back on. So when I turn on the light, it will turn off, and when I turn it on and hit the motion, it turns back on. Now the toilet light will blink red when the toilet light is slowly, with the batteries are slowly going dead. The toilet light will blink red. So let me show you, let me switch out to a red light to show you what it looks like when the batteries are slowly dying. But this one's not blinking, but the batteries are in lower charge than the fully charged. So this is fully charged, where the light turns different colors. And then this one is just red, means the batteries are slowly dying. So you're not going to fade to different colors. And what you do in order to operate the light, you need 3 AAA batteries. And I use Duracell because they last much longer. And then when you put the batteries in there, and then you put on the Illumibulb cap to hide the batteries. This is your sensor. There is a little button here you will push like that to operate the Illumibulb nightlight. Okay, the batteries last, so you take them out and just pull that down. Now these batteries last about 2 months in a very busy, active bathroom. The batteries last much longer in a spare bathroom that's less active. So you can get up to 6 months. I mean, the batteries are not being used when the motion is not detected. Okay. Now, the LED nightlight is ultra water resistance. That means if you drop this in the bowl, it will not destroy the LED nightlight, but it may destroy the batteries, but it will still work. You can also clean the nightlight with an all-purpose cleaner, so you can spray the surface of the LED nightlight and then wipe it off with soap and water. So also, the design of the LED nightlight has a flexible PVC neck. This means that you can bend it over the shape of any type of bowl or shape, and it will stay conformed to the toilet bowl. So let me demonstrate what it looks like on the toilet. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to turn off the light here, and this one comes on. And I'm going to put this down on the toilet here. And I've already got a second light there. And you can see with 2 lights, the toilet is glowing blue, and this is with the light off. Now it's turning green. Now a light blue, or kind of a cobalt blue, and then going into some pinks. So when I turn on the light, let's turn on the bathroom light in just a second. We're going to turn, so I'm going to go up here and get a little close up of how it glows. Okay, I'm going to turn off the toilet. I'm turn off the light, and the light turns off. And then I'm going to turn the light off, and the toilet light, night light, turns back on to red. So these are great for if you're using the bathroom in the middle of the night and you don't want to turn on a bright light in the middle of the night. And you can also see where you are aiming. Let's drop the toilet lid here. And the toilet lid, around the ring, you can see that it lights up. And when it's really, really dark, the light spills over onto the wall, and you can see some of your footing as well if your foot is up in there. So this is really great for, so you can aim properly in the dark, and if you don't want to turn on a bright light in the middle of the night. And I do hope that this video was helpful. And as always, if you like this video, give it a like. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.